My name is Tim Morris. I'm with Illinois American Water. I am the operations supervisor for the water loss department and the regulatory, which concentrates on valves and hydrant maintenance and inspections. I'm here today to talk to you about the hidden cost of water leaks. In the Chicago area, covering all of the lake water distribution systems, there is an average of 3 to 8% of water leakage, which can cost into the millions of dollars. If a leak goes unattended for long enough, it can undermine under roads and cause safety concerns when driving. Water can even work its way into a person's house and start to deteriorate their foundation. We had a leak that had started on the water main and had worked its way into a storm sewer system that went into a retention pond. It's been going on for about 3 or 4 weeks. We started proactively searching for a leak and canvassed a community area and found that it was running at about 300 gallons a minute. A leak can occur from deterioration of the water main. A rubber gasket could fail. Water mains can be in the ground for 100 years. The ground will slowly start to corrode the outside of the pipe. The water itself can be corrosive and can start eating away at the inside of the pipe. Temperature changes through the seasons from summer to fall to winter all creates a shift in the pipe, and metal will expand and contract with the temperatures. So as the frost line in the wintertime comes down, it'll cause the water mains to shrink just enough to create small breakdowns in the gaskets and joints connecting pipe to pipe. What we're going to do is we're going to open up this fire hydrant and simulate a water leak on the main. We're going to use a piece of equipment known as a correlator to help pinpoint where this leak is. This is to demonstrate how the equipment helps us find leaks that haven't yet caused enough damage to create a safety concern, but by a proactive approach is able to allow us to still find them. We have our simulated leak. The water that you saw coming out of the hydrant is a little bit less than what you'll see coming out of a hole the size of about 4 inches on an 8-inch distribution line. We've set up the correlator on 2 points on the valves running across the distribution system, and we're going to use this device here to be able to pinpoint and measure exactly to where that hydrant is. As you can see on the graph, you have a solid peak in the center. What that shows us is that here's where the leak is coming from. It's a significant amount of dollars recovered by repairing this leak that normally would not have been able to be found because it would have never surfaced. The majority of the leaks that surface that people find and call on are a fraction of the lost water. The majority of the lost water is found from leaks that nobody's ever able to discover.